Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rabbit toy that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Prosper Pet Rabbit Toy. Kicking off our list is this fun rabbit tunnel from Prosper Pet. Constructed from 3 tunnels that connect in a central section, the toy is perfect for smaller pets to explore, run through, and hide inside. With its crackly fabric lining, the tunnel also gives your rabbit some extra stimulation as they make their way around each section. It's a great option for bunnies who like to entertain themselves. Made from ultra-strong, tear-resistant polyester, and a sprung steel frame, the tunnel is also built to last, ensuring your furry friend can enjoy hour after hour of fun. When your pet is done exploring, the tunnel can be easily folded away for quick and convenient storage. It's even available in a wide variety of fun colors, adding a touch of brightness to your home. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aaker Rabbit Chew Toy. The next of our bunny chew toys is this 100% natural bark stick set by Aaker. Made from unrefined applewood sticks, and absolutely nothing else, it's the perfect way to help your fluffy friend keep their teeth in great condition, and have fun doing it. Totally free from pesticides, the wooden toy takes advantage of your rabbit's natural instinct to chew, maintaining perfect dental hygiene, while giving your bunny the mental stimulation they need. At about an inch thick, each stick is the ideal size for the vast majority of rabbits. For extra fun, heart-shaped grass cakes sit between each stick, so your pet can explore and double the fun. Perfect for pets who need to be left alone in the house to stay entertained. For homes with more than one small pet, it's a great option too, suitable for guinea pigs, chinchillas, squirrels, parrots, and gerbils. Customers say that even picky pets love the natural taste, and noticed that the chews lasted a long time. You can even refill the string base of the toy when your rabbit is done chewing. At number 3, we have the Night Angel Small Animal Activity Toy. They might look like something to put on your coffee table, but these surprisingly stylish rattan balls make for another great set of bunny toys. Each ball is handmade from a combination of all natural materials: seagrass, water hyacinth, and rattan. Not only can your fluffy friend gnaw on the tooth-friendly balls, they can also roll them around for hours of fun. For added entertainment value, you can even place some tasty treats inside each ball for your rabbit to wheedle out. Curious pets may even manage to unravel the balls for extra fun. Owners say the balls provide hours of fun for rodent pets, who love to push them around the cage and chew them apart. With 4 balls and 4 different styles in each pack, your pet is sure to find something they like to play with. Because the unraveled balls could become tangled around your pet, owners are advised to use them for supervised play only. At number 2, we have the Sungrow Grass House Toy for Rabbit. This woven hut is another great option when it comes to choosing a fun toy for your rabbit. Made from dry, woven grass, it mimics the kind of cozy home your pet would have in the wild, helping them to feel secure, as well as providing a fun hiding spot for fun and games. Thanks to its stackable design, owners can push huts together into a veritable bunny metropolis. The hut also encourages healthy chewing, helping your pet to maintain excellent dental hygiene, vital for their overall health. To spice things up, owners can tuck small treats away inside the folds of the hut, in a kind of bunny treasure hunt. As well as being great fun for your bunny, the hut is incredibly convenient for their human owners. With its lightweight, long-lasting design, it's sure to keep your pet amused for years to come. Owners across the board were impressed with the hut's quality, and reported that their pet was happy to play in and around it for hours on end. With a price point under $20, it's also one of the best value huts on the market right now. Having chewing, hiding, and general playing all covered, owners can't go wrong with this natural and effective toy. And finally at number 1, we have the Small Pet Select Wonderland Play Table. For very active bunnies, this play table by Small Pet Select might just be the perfect option. Treat your rabbit to their very own jungle gym, featuring birch legs for chewing, a digging box floor, 2 mobiles, and a top platform where curious pets can go for a better view of their surroundings. With so much fun to be had, you can rest assured that all of your rabbit's natural instincts will be satisfied with this versatile play center. Made from all natural wood and rope, the design is completely non-toxic, so there's no need to worry about your pet when you're out and about. Suitable for both supervised and unsupervised playtime, this compact and durable center is great fun for a range of small pets, rabbits, guinea pigs, chinchillas, and more. Customers say their pets love it. With furry friends chewing and scratching the toy, your furniture is saved. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon